Papa, remember I told you I have a surprise for you. And the surprise is coming from this house.
From this house?
Oh, yes.
Do you know who you want to touch?
The guy you're chasing out now is 5G network. Great.
Why would your mother brings another man here when he is aware that you have someone, another man, seriously asking for your hand in marriage? Why?
Mama, I don't know. When he returns, you will ask. You know he's full of bringing confusion into our family. Were you not the one that brought your friend Ikowa? Knowing fully well that his father is interested in your sister?
I don't understand. Does it mean that Ichie Samankwe is your father? Okay, Samankwe.
Yes, of course.
Samankwe is your father?
I am the only son he has.
Hey! Okay, to go.
The reason I came back is for my project. I didn't come back for marriage.
Mommy, what I totally meant bouquet.
Enjoy around.
Mommy, any man can you see her?
Okay, Ichie Mammy Maka.
I told me, man,
You don't judge the book by its cover.
this one, the cover don't tear. Today of all days that I went to buy anuezi, pork meat for my girl and palm wine.
Anu what?
Anuezi
For what?
for her. That's all total.
Just take a look at your outfit now. See how bubbling you are. See how fine you are. You are afraid of your father. It's a shame.
Why did you bring this talking cricket to come and embarrass me? Huh? Why did you bring the back in Chikota to come and embarrass me? Please do your work. Do your work. Please.
Oh, Daddy!
Go!
Oh, Daddy!